One of the best chicken dishes I have ever made in my whole life. After I learned how to make it this way, I won't make it any other way. So let's use one chicken breast and we are going to open it with the knife like this, as you can see on the video. Then we are going to cover it with the plastic and beat on top of it with a knife just like that, because when we season it, the seasons will get into the chicken. Now in a bowl we are going to put some flour. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from so I can send you that special hug on the next video. And we are going to pass the chicken on this flour from the one side and then the other side. Now in another bowl we are going to put 2 eggs and season it with salt, black pepper, green onion, Parmesan cheese. Mix it very well, and then we are going to put the chicken inside of it as well. On one side, then on the other side. This is gonna give a juiciness to our chicken, guys. And our recipe is almost done. Now in a frying pan we are going to add a tablespoon of butter, and after it's melted we are going to add the chicken. Fry on one side and then on the other side. As simple as that, guys. Isn't it the easiest recipe ever? We're almost finished. Now take out the chicken and we are on the same frying pan. We are going to add 1 quinoa cube, dissolved into water, a tablespoon of garlic, green onion, 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix it very well and then we're going to add the chicken again. That's right, guys, we are going to add it all over again. You won't regret it. Fry on the one side and on the other side. Put this sauce over the chicken. And our recipe is already done. Seriously, you won't regret making it. This chicken is super juicy. It's one of the best chicken dishes I have ever made in my whole life. Make it at your house and I'm pretty sure you won't regret making it. Just take a look at it, guys. I'm gonna leave you guys with this image because I'm here eating my chicken. So this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here.